I'm going to trace this up to the glute folds. Up. Good. Let me see here. Good. One more time.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now, let's get into it, and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Okay, nice and gentle scan of your spine at the very top. Okay, I'm going to push a little bit deeper into your muscles. Okay, I'm going to go down below your belt line just a little bit to palpate your SI joints. Any tenderness here?
A little bit.
Here?
A little bit.
Here. Just turn to the right. Here, hold on. To keep your legs facing forward, and then you keep your head facing forward. We're just going to turn your... There you go. You can turn your head to face it with your body now. Good. Okay. Any stiffness, tenderness, discomfort here?
Not too bad.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Is it worse turning to the left or to the right?
To the right, I would say.
Let's do one more to the left. Let's really turn here. Just scoot your butt forward. There you go. Now bring your feet together on the floor.
I'm short, so do a little bit.
There you go. That's good. And then what you're gonna do is just open your knees. Good. Let me lower your belt line here so we can see. Okay. Open your knees. Good. Now close. It's difficult for you to do without leaning back.
I think so.
Can you open them without leaning back?
I'm not sure. Maybe. Yeah.
Okay. Close. Okay, just looking at the hips. Go ahead, keep walking. High knees. Okay, a little bit of a rotation there. That's good. Okay, I'm going to measure your glute fibers. Okay, so you're going to feel my fingertips on the back of your hamstrings. Okay, I'm going to trace this up to the glute folds. We're lower on the right, higher on the left. Looking from the top, almost perfectly even. Possible posterior, inferior rotation on the. So when your back hurts, when you lay down at night, point to it. Where does it hurt?
Here.
And you can look straight ahead. Yep, then turn around and go the other way. Okay, good. Feet look good. Looking at the shoulders, restricted to the left, and it comes out to the right a little bit more on that right side of thoracic rotation. Turn around and do one more time. So if the thoracic spine is rotated to the right. All right, push your legs out to the side against my arms. Good. Push, 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 push. Relax. Okay, one more time. Push out to the side again. Push, push. Relax. You can feel what it's like. All right, so what you're going to do is breathe in through your nose. Following your breath here. Good. Let this go. Loose, 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 loose.
Wow.
Okay, same thing. Nice and gentle breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. Just kind of sink in here. Good. You have a little bit too much stress in your spine for a 21-year-old.
I hear that all of the time.
Okay, let's try that again. Deep breath in through your nose, all the way in far as you can go. Then let your shoulders relax as you breathe out. Let it go. Let it all go now. Good. Not quite. Okay, let's do this. Flip over to your back. Okay, again, in here, breathe in. And out through your mouth. Good. Lean back. Come all the way down. One more. Okay, I'm going to test your lumbar muscles here. So what you're going to do, keeping your whole leg straight. Okay, lift this whole leg in the air. Go down. Left. Down. Is it easier on one side more than the other?
A little bit easier on my right side.
Easy. Nice and gentle breathing. Good. And out. Good. Let the shoulders come up. Good. Then you're back. Now, when you crack your own spine, can you do it like that loud? Do you get that spot?
Not quite as loud, but it's how I will usually crack it. I'll twist, but it's never that.
Moving already, that's good. Okay, let's try that again. Deep breath in through your nose, loose, let your hips relax, got to breathe out. Good, one more time, breathe in and out. Exactly right underneath my hands. Exactly, like the exact vertebra moving the exact direction that it needs to go into. I mean, cracking your own back is good. I mean, I'd rather you be able to crack it than be stuck all the time. But like this is like just a little bit deeper.
Yeah, it feels more relief than when I just do it myself.
Okay, I'm going to adjust your neck now. Right from about here, we're going to push in that direction, okay? Okay, nice and gentle breathing. Let your shoulders sink in here. Good. Good, one more, Grace, in. And out. Good, just nice and loose here. Good. With the tingles after. Like the other one, okay? Very gentle breathing. Here. Good, let this relax. Good, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It's all in the middle. 7, 6. Good, let this sink in here. Good. Good.
Wow.
Up. I think there's one little one here. Just let your head and shoulders sink. Incredible. One more. Oh, there it goes. And then the ASIS here. Okay, you can do this too. Belly button, bone that sticks out in the front. Draw a line in between the two. Start searching there. Yours is pretty much right in the middle. Do you feel that right there? When's the last time you ate today?
This morning, right before we left, so like 6 a.m.
Sometimes when you're stressed, this window can stay open too much. You're familiar with all this or what?
A little bit. I mean, I know when you're stressed, you get a little loose.
It was tough. It really doesn't want to budge. Okay, deep breath into your belly. Good, and out. Okay, now this is a diaphragm muscle release. Okay, deep breaths into your belly. Please, all you have to do is keep your teeth together, okay? All right, so just like this, I'm going to use this, and we're going to pull in that direction for a full spine adjustment, okay? Okay? Okay, close your eyes, nothing to look at. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth.
Oh! Jeez. Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
My soul left my body for a second there.
It's back now. ahead and stand up. Let's see how that feels. Take it for a test drive. How's it feel?
Feels good. My shoulders feel really good.
Very good.
My neck.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.